How to use a good web conferencing presentation. Web conferencing is a great way to provide and share information on any subject. This type of seminar is a natural progression from the face-to-face conferences that are still commonplace in the world of business today. Depending on the system used, all participants should be able to see, hear, and interact as if located in the same room. For your web conference to be remembered for the right reasons, you will need to ensure that the words get out. If the public did not know about the event, how would they be able to attend? Always make the effort to advertise and promote your conference widely. You should also keep each attendee informed of any alterations or changes to the schedule. You should think carefully about what conferencing software you will use. If the application is new to you, it is extremely important that you practice with the tools and features prior to the day of the webinar. You would not want to discover that the software has limitations that restrict interactivity. If you are not sure as to which conferencing software should be used, try out different options and search for reviews and opinions on the merits of each service online. It would be useful if you had an understanding of how many people are expected to log in to your webinar. If there was a higher than expected attendance, you may find that the service suffers as bandwidth may not be adequate. Even if you have used the conferencing software previously, it is still of value to test the audio and the video with friends prior to the seminar starting. There is nothing more frustrating than discovering during the webinar that there is a problem. Alongside technical preparations, you should be certain that you can talk clearly and eloquently on the subject matter. There are a number of tips that can be used to give an effective presentation. As when communicating face-to-face, you should speak clearly and make eye contact with your audience. Do not rush your words, remember to breathe and pause at the right time. If you have any additional material that would be of use to attendees, this should be shared at the start of the conference so people can become familiar with the theme of the presentation. On a final note, a web conference is different than a regular seminar in so much that the speaker needs to stay fixed to their seat. If you were not to stay still, this can become a distraction to viewers and take away from your message.